everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths A. We have started our discussion with the chapter Quadratic Equation. What did we learn? We learned with the basics of how do we form an equation, how do we solve an equation by using a quadratic formula, right? And we also learned how do we know the nature of a roots, right? Today we are going to learn the relation between the two roots, that is using the sum and the product of roots. Okay, shall we do? See here. Here he gave that alpha beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, which is a standard equation, right? Then he is asking us to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square, and these are the basic question. If we observe, we have only two relations, that is sum and a product. What is the sum and product of this particular equation? That is, you have to know, sum is minus b by a, product is c by a. Clear? Any difficulty in remembering that? No, right? So, the sum itself, the formula is minus b by a, product is c by a. By using only those particular formulas, we are going to solve these questions. Okay? See here. He is asking us to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. How do we convert in terms of these two formulas? The basic thing, take the LCM. Okay? Here the LCM is alpha beta, numerator is beta plus alpha. Okay? What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta? C by a. Therefore, my answer is minus b by c. Done? Any difficulty in finding that? No, right? So, look at the next question. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Again, what is LCM here? Alpha square, beta square. Okay? Here we will get it as beta square plus alpha square. Do we have the formula of a square plus b square? No, right? So, let us write a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Can we write like that? Yes. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So, I can write as a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just remember that formula. So, let us substitute this alpha beta in this equation. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is c by a, again in the denominator alpha beta is c by a whole square. Okay. So, here it is b square by a square minus 2c by a divided by c square by a square. So, numerator ka LCM is a square and we will get it as b square minus 2ac by c square by a square. These both will get cancelled. I will get the answer as b square minus 2ac by c square. Is it right? Is it okay till now? So, this is the answer. Fine. And the next question. This is a typical question and it is important to solve. Alpha power 4, beta power 7, alpha power 7, beta power 4. How do we solve? Do we have some pairs of alpha there? No, right? So, a minimum tactful step we are going to do here is, let us take alpha power 4, beta power 4 common in the both the terms. Alpha power 4, beta power 4 common. I will be left with beta cube plus alpha cube. Is it okay? Fine, right? Now, just tell me what is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Let us write it as alpha beta whole power 4. Here it is a cube plus b cube ka formula, that is a plus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Is it right? Is it okay, right? So, again we know alpha beta whole power 4, we know alpha plus beta, and do we know alpha square plus beta square? No, right? So, again we will write it in the form of this. Fine. This will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta. Yes. So, we will write it as alpha beta whole power 4 alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square 1 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta, that is minus alpha beta. So, let us substitute So, let us substitute everything in the formula. What is alpha beta? That is c by a whole power 4. This is minus b by a, and this is minus b by a whole square minus c by a. Clear? Let us simplify. C power 4 by a power 4 into minus b by a into b square by a square minus c by a. Minus bc power 4 a power 5. Here it is, LCM is a square, I will get it as a square b minus c. So, if you want to simplify more, you can, or else we can directly put it as minus, let me multiply this term to both the terms, minus a square b square c power 4 plus b c power 5 by a power 7. This is my answer. Fine. Next, the last question. Alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. So, let us take LCM there. We will get it as alpha beta as LCM, and there alpha square minus beta square whole square. Clear? Do we have formula for alpha square minus beta square? No, right? So, we will write it as alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta whole by alpha beta whole square. Clear? Let us separate everything. That will be alpha plus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square. Now, if you observe, what is alpha plus beta we know, what is alpha beta also we know, but do we know alpha minus beta whole square? No, right? That is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, okay, by alpha beta whole square. Now, tell me, what is alpha square plus beta square? We have done these many times, here also we did, there also we did. Here it is alpha square plus beta square. Where is it? This term, right? So, let us check here. This is only numerator, b square minus 2ac by a square. I will directly write it. Okay. Here it is minus b square, I mean here it is minus b by a, that is b square by a square into this term is b square minus 2ac by a square, b square minus 2ac by a square minus 2c by a whole divided by c by a whole square. Let us simplify this. What do we get? B square by a square into, here LCM is a square, we will multiply a to this, ab square minus 2a square c minus 2c, sorry, here LCM is a square, what do we get? B square minus 2ac minus 2ac whole divided by c square by a square. We can cancel one a square. What do we get? B square into b square minus 4ac by c square a square. Is it right? Is it not easy to solve? Only thing is we have to know these two formulas. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Look at the next question here. He is asking us to find the values of m for which roots are equal. What does this mean? What was the condition? That is, our discriminant should be equal to 0. Then only we can tell that roots are equal. Yes. So, in order to do that, we have to make sure that our equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Shall we convert? See here. Here the question is not in the form of ax square bx plus c. There is no x term at all. So, let us multiply and write it in the form x square minus 15 minus 2mx plus 8m is equal to 0. So, it can be written as x square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15. Is it fine? Check again. Here it is x square minus 15 minus 2mx plus 8m, x square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15. So, if I compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, what is a? 1. What is b? Minus 2m. What is c? The constant 8m minus 15. Is it right? So, he gave that roots are equal, that is discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Let us substitute that and simplify, we will get the value of m. Clear? See here, what is b? Minus 2m ka square, that is 4m square minus 4ac equal to 0. Simplify this, 4m square minus 8 4s are 32m plus 4 into 15 60. So, if I we can directly factorize it and find the value of m. Let us take 4 common, I will get it as m square minus 8m plus 15 is equal to 0. Factors, 15 ka factors, 5 3s are, it works. So, here it is m square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 is equal to 0. I can take m as common, I can take minus 3 as common. If I take m minus 5 as common, I will get it as m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the values of m are 3 and 5. Is it clear? So, what is that we have to remember in this problem? Just first convert the whole equation in terms of standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then only we can get the values of a, b and c, substitute in the condition, that is delta is equal to 0. Simplify, we will get the answer. Okay. Next, this equation, this is already in the form of a x square bx plus c. Yes, what is a here? A is 3m plus 1. What is b? 2 into m plus 1. What is c? M, isn't it? So, let us directly substitute it. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is b square 4ac is equal to 0. Clear? Now, here is 4 into m plus 1 whole square, m square plus 1 plus 2m minus 4 into, let us multiply these both, 3m square plus m. Okay. If you observe, we can take 4 as common. Done. If I take 4 as common, I will be left with m square plus 1 plus 2m minus 3m square minus m is equal to 0. 4 will go that side, 0 by 4, obviously it is 0. Done. Therefore, we are left with this term, m square minus 3m square minus 2m square, 2m minus m is m plus 1 equal to 0. Is it fine? No difficulty here. Yes. So, we can take minus common, this will be 2m square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. What are the factors of 2 now? 2 ones are 2, right? That is 2m square minus 2m plus 1, minus 2m plus m minus 1. Here we can take 2m common, this will be m minus 1. If I take m common, I will get it as m minus 1 equal to 0. Let us take m minus 1 common, I will get it as 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 1 equal to 0, the next 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, m is 1, m is minus 1 by 2. These are the two values of m. Is it clear? Is it easy to solve? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the questions here. He is telling that if x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and x square plus cx plus b equal to 0 have a common root, then show that b plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Remember that he did not specify any common root, but he is telling that one of the root is common for both the equations. So, let us assume that particular root. So, let alpha be common root. Then let us substitute in both the equation. What do we get? Alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, and here alpha square plus c alpha plus b is equal to 0. Okay, this is first equation and this is second equation. Let us subtract. Okay, here if I subtract, I will get b minus c into alpha plus c minus b. So, b minus c into alpha is equal to b minus c. If I send this both that side, then alpha will be b minus c by b minus c. Therefore, alpha is 1. What is common root now? 1. Therefore, alpha equal to 1 is common root. So, let us substitute in 1. So, 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 0, that is 1 plus b plus c is equal to 0. Yes, is it not easy? But the thing is, you have to learn how to substitute and simplify. Clear? Is it not easy? Fine. And the next, this is important and easy, that is prove roots of x minus a into x minus b equal to h square are always real. Okay. So, first we will solve it, that is x minus a, x minus b. So, let us simplify this. X square minus bx minus ax plus ab minus h square equal to 0, right. So, we will write it in the standard form, x square minus a plus b into x plus ab minus h square, right. This is a standard equation. He is telling that the roots are real. So, what is the formula? We have to check it. Let us find b square minus 4ac for this. This is in the form of, let us take capital X here. Why? Already there are ABC terms in that. Okay. So, a is 1, b is minus of a plus b, okay. C is ab minus h square. Substitute in the formula discriminant, b square minus 4ac is equal, is greater than 0 given roots are real. Clear? Let us substitute in this. Let us check first. Let us find discriminant only in the formula, that is minus of a minus a plus b whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is ab minus h square, right. So, this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab plus h square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus h square. What is this? A minus b whole square plus h square. Now, if you observe, both the terms are positive. Why? Because both are square terms, this ka square and this ka square. Obviously, this term is always a positive value. Therefore, this is always greater than 0. Therefore, roots are always real. Clear? Is this some easy to solve? This is important and a typical and easy question. Clear? Shall we move on to the next question? Let us do. Look at the next question here. He is asking us to solve this and this equation. How do we solve? Let us take this equation, 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x equal to 10. Okay. How do we do? Let us first separate these things. Given 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x equal to 10. Clear? Now, here this is in the form of a power m plus n. So, that can be written as a power m into a power n. Here also a power m into a power n. Fine. So, the next step, 3 power minus x can be written as 1 by 3 power x. Yes. So, this can be written as 3 into 3 power x plus 3 by 3 power x is equal to 10. Is it right? So, let us put it as it is and let us assume, instead of writing this 3 power x all the time, let us take it as some variable t. Put 3 power x is equal to t. Okay. So, this will become as 3t plus 3 by t is equal to 10. LCM is t, 3t square plus 3 is equal to 10. So, this can be written as 3t square minus 10t plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it right? This t will go that side and we can bring this 10t this side. Now, factorize it. 3 3s are 9, 9 table, 9 1s are 9. So, this will be 3t square minus 9t minus t plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us take 3t common here, this will be t minus 3. Here if I take minus 1 common, this is also t minus 3. And the next t minus 3 common, this will be 3t minus 1 is equal to 0. So, t minus 3 is equal to 0, 3t minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of t? 3. 1 more is 1 by 3. Clear? Now we have to find the value of x. We know that t is nothing but 3 power x. So I can put it back. Instead of x, let us put it 3 power x equal to 3, 3 power x equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to directly 3 here, and here 3 power x can be written as 3 power minus 1. Therefore the value of x is minus 1 here. So the values of x are 1 comma minus 1. Okay, did you understand? So the only thing we have to remember here is we have to substitute the parameter. Clear? Look at the next question. Here under root x by x minus 3, x minus 3 by x are given. So what shall we do? We can put root x by x minus 3 as t. Yes, so this whole thing will become as t. What about this? Reciprocal of this exactly. So this will be 1 by t. Isn't it? Yes or no? 5 by 2. Right? Is it clear? So let us simplify it and find the value of t. LCM is t. T square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiply 2t square plus 2 minus 5t equal to 0. Factorize it. What do we get? 2t square minus 5t plus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So this will be 2t square minus 4t minus t plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2t common, I will get it as t plus 2, I mean t minus 2. Again if I take minus 1 common, I will get it as t minus 2. Now take t minus 2 is equal to 0, 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. What is t? Either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 1 by 2. Again we got two cases. What is t? This term. Let us put first case, x by x minus 3 is equal to 2. Cross multiply, x by x minus 3 is equal to 4. If I cross multiply, I will get it as x is equal to 4x minus 12. So 12 is equal to 4x minus x. 3x is 12, x is 4. Yes, similarly let us take 1 by 2. Under root x by x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. X by x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. 4x is equal to x minus 3. 4x minus x is equal to minus 3, 3x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 1. Clear? Are these questions easy to solve? Fine. What all we learned in this session? We started with the basics of how do we find the value of a constant when the roots are real, and the next we started with the basics of a given equation, right? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of quadratic equation. Thank you.